Hello sweeties, welcome to or back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing Luvwin hair. We're getting right into this. We get 2 clips, a melt belt, lashes, 2 HD wig caps, and a headband. So they sent me over a 5x5 20-inch salt and pepper wig. I think I chose the more pepper. You can choose to get more salt or more pepper in your gray wig. This is the 5x5 closure. This wig is glueless. So this is the construction you get, the glueless band, the combs, and the wig grip. This wig has pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and is pre-plucked. This is how it's looking before we get into the install. So now I'm just going to go in with a cream foundation. I actually use my liquid because I was in the process of moving and packing up everything to get my bigger place, honey. But this is how it came out. So now we're gonna put it on. This wig does come with a side part, but you can part your hair anywhere you like within that 5x5 closure. And you can also, turn and twist this wig in any direction you like due to the construction. I'm just gonna take that same brush that I tinted my lace with and hit the outer lace with it. If you get makeup on this hair, just take some alcohol on a paper towel and wipe it off. It'll come off just fine. Cut off these little pieces. You don't need them. They're really annoying. So just cut these all the way back. Now I'm just taking my hot comb, making sure all the hair is back out of my face, away from the lace, and as flat as possible so we can get into our glueless install. We don't want these hairs getting caught up in our spray or anything like that. I'm using my bed head hard head this time around, and I'm just spraying it right on top of the lace, not in front of it, not too far back, just directly on that line where that lace is. Now you're just gonna tie it down and hit it with the blow dryer, and when you feel that it's dry and it's really set, we'll take off the melt belt. So this is how it looks after we melted it down. Now we're just gonna comb and loosen it back up, try to figure out where we want our part, what we're gonna be doing. If I didn't say it already, this wig is Kinky straight, and it is very much so natural African-American textured hair. It is super duper soft and really lightweight. I really like that. So I've decided that I'm going to go in with the side part since that's how the wig comes. I really like to show you guys as much as I can what you're really getting right out of the box, right out of the bag, or whatever. To kind of show you the style that they want you to achieve when you get the wig. Of course, you can style it any way you want, which we will get into later on in this video. But yeah, I just like to show you guys what you're really getting. So I'm starting off hot combing the top. We just want to make it look natural, close to the head, like it's coming out of our scalp. We don't want it to be too puffy at the root. It just kind of gives wig, obviously. So that's why I go in with my hot comb first. So I'm gonna go in with my flat iron, kind of straighten this hair out, and right at the end I'm gonna put, a little curl. Nothing too much because this wig is really for all ages, but just due to the hair color, if you curl it too much, it could give, the dreaded granny that everyone talks about. But this wig can be really cute on every age group, and we're gonna go through some styles later, like I said, but right now I'm just going with something everyday, sleek, side part. I really did like this wig in its natural state, and I think the pictures came out really super duper cute. And yeah, do not be afraid to either embrace your gray or go gray to be edgy and cool, or just rock the color because you like it. So I'm gonna finish curling it up and I'm gonna show you guys the final result. This is how it came out. I really like it. I mean, you can make something out of this, honestly. And I just go in my part with my concealer just to make my part pop a little bit more. and I think it looked really good. I feel like this wig is really melted. I needed no baby hair, which I think is appropriate for this. I just really love it. I really love this. I mean, look at her. Who is she? This hair is so lightweight. It's manageable. It's not wiry or weird. It just feels really good. You forget you even have it on. So I'm going to get into another style really quickly. I'm going to show you what this middle part looks like. But what I've kind of gathered with these gray wigs, because I've tried another one by them and I'll put it up in the cards. But I feel like the shorter you go, the more mature it is. The longer you go, it's kind of for everybody. So just keep that in mind when you're ordering this. You know, if you think, I personally think I look better with shorter hair, so I like the shorter length, but in this color I would go longer because of the color of it and everything like that. So this is how the middle part was looking. I kind of bumped it in to give it that kind of layered look, because I wasn't really sure if I wanted to cut it because I loved it so much. But I was like, oh, what the hey, let's just go for it. So I ended up like cutting layers in the front, and then I just kept going. But I loved it in all the styles that I did. But yeah, this is what it is. So this is the middle part layered in the front, which I absolutely love as well. This wig kind of gives me like a retro feel, and I think that's why like I kept cutting it, because it just kept getting better to me. And so I ended up cutting bangs in it because I don't know why, but like right now I'm just so in the fall mood. Like I'm so ready for fall. So I love a good wolf cut in the fall. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna rock this in the fall anyway, so I may as well just like do it. So I cut the bang, and then I started going for like this kind of rocky, edgy wolf cut, and that's kind of where I landed. So as you can see, I'm in the process of like layering the top. I was just kind of really going for like a 70s rock star wolf cut type of thing. But the point of this video is to say you can rock it in the way that it comes, or you can have fun with your wigs and do something you like. I think because it's gray, I'm just kind of showing you how you can like make it edgy, make it into something you really like. And I really love the cut that I did. But this channel, this video is just for the love of hair, playing with hair, seeing what you can do with it, just having fun. This cut might not be for everybody, but yes, I really enjoyed this. I hope you're enjoying the ride with me. I just layered it up, and then I would take my curling iron and put a little bump in it, a little curl. I wanted it to be wispy. I really wanted that kind of edgy, a little bit of 1970s, a little bit of wispy, a little bit of edginess, all packed into one. I definitely like for it to be bigger towards the top and kind of taper down. And yeah. I just absolutely love it. But I'm also going to show you another reason I really love messy wolf cuts. So you can still take it in like a half up, half down thing, and you have like the little wispy pieces that go with the bangs. I just find it to be really cute. So that's like the final style I'm going to show you guys. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this hair. I enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. And until next time, stay sweet.